After removal, the infuser is too low to allow the drip tray to be inserted correctly. Take the grounds container from the drip tray. Carefully insert the grounds container in its correct position and close the service door. Plug the appliance in and switch on at the supply. Switch the appliance on at the back. The infuser automatically resets. Open the service door and remove the grounds container. Replace the grounds container on the drip tray, which can now be inserted fully into its correct position. Close the service door. The appliance is now ready for normal use.